Well guys, I'm going to try these two. They're really only designed to go in my garden. I should think they'll suffer out here. If I throw them too hard, the wings will probably fold. It's a little bit windy and we got bushes and trees. So, oh, and there's the river over there as well. Alright, wind's coming from there. Oh, that went alright. And that went like a brick. I did put hooks on them so we could try catapult launch, but I really don't think they'll take it. We'll give it a catapult launch. That's probably the last thing we'll do. That was a bit gentle. 2 bands. Three rubber bands, probably break it. Whoa. Well, I don't think we're going to get a 20-second flight out of this, although I'm surprised it's lasted as long as it has. Not too bad. Not a prize winner. Let's just see what happens if we try launching this one. Definitely seemed a bit nose heavy. Oh. Tail heavy I meant, not nose heavy. Oh, I think we did it that time. Oh no. Just a bit of super glue, which I haven't brought with me. So yeah, that one's not quite so successful. Well, the other one wasn't fantastic, but they flew a bit. And I was asked to try them in the park, so we've done it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.